Hello. In this section, I would like to talk about still mind. So before we talk about still mind, I'd like to talk about mind wandering first. What's mind wandering? People's mind do not concentrate on a single topic, but think about something other than what they are doing for a long period of time. That is the definition of mind wandering. Kenswood and Gilbert at the Harvard University developed iPhone apps, and they counted about 2,000 volunteers, and they asked them, how are you feeling right now? And what are you doing right now? At a random interval. Subject could choose 20 general activities such as walking, eating, shopping, and watching TV. And what they find is that about 47% of waking hours are spent thinking about what isn't going on. They say a human mind is a wandering mind, and a wandering mind is an unhappy mind. Why are they saying that? Because their results show that people were less happy when their mind was wandering than when they were occupied. After their study, more study has been done on mind wandering. Mind wandering has been associated with possible car accidents. Mind wandering is common in people with low or depressed mood. Task unrelated thoughts also occur when a person is intoxicated, with the consumption of alcohol. So there's a lot of negative association with mind wandering. Mind wandering is an unconscious and automatic process. From the brain science perspective, mind wandering may lead to a waste of mental energies. Because individuals spend a lot of energy thinking about something unproductive, whether not much energy is left for the brains to complete prioritized tasks. This might explain one of the causes why we are sometimes less productive at work. So, now we talk about stilled mind. What is stilled mind? Stilled is a core practice of Chan that is to remain focused, stable, and calm at all times, even when you are stressed or faced with uncertainty. With the training of Chan, the frequency and duration of wandering mind will be reduced, as we will disuse less of our energies and we direct it to tasks that need to be complete. Therefore, individuals will have the ability to stay focused and sustain attention for a longer period of time. Without training, most of us will react to stress and difficult time with anger and anxiety. However, anger and anxiety are not beneficial when it comes to problem solving. We need a clear and calm mind in order to have good problem solving skills. Chan train our minds to endure stress and handle problems in a peaceful manner. One with a peaceful mind can solve problems wisely and effectively. There are many ways to practice still the mind, and one of the ways to practice is Nine Gong in the Chan Wu lifestyle medicine. This including sitting or standing meditation. In the Chan Wu lifestyle meditation, you have a standing meditation called empty stand. What is empty stand? It stands like a tree. What's it about? Okay, let me explain. Most of the people nowadays have a poor posture, primarily because we depend a lot of our mobile phone for doing our daily activities. So poor posture is not just for older adults. Even children, adolescents begins to have poor posture and have spine problem. So the standing meditation is helping us to strengthen our spine and improve our posture. So when we are doing standing meditations, we have a strict spine like this. And a lot of times we are curving our spine like this, which is incorrect. So we stand like a tree with a strict posture. According to the Chinese medicine, there's two important meridians within our body. One is in the front and the other is in the back. This here, two here. These two meridians become an inner circle inside our body, which they are maintained circular. If our back is straight, our spine is relaxed, the blood and qi will circulate well. So this is a theory in the Chinese traditional medicine. Disregard which theory we use. Keeping a good posture, a right posture with a strict spine, relaxing spine is very important for our health. Another training for stilled mind is nasal massage, which we put two hands in here and massaging our nasal slowly and relaxingly. And what we find is that there is hemodynamic increase after practicing nasal massage. It is a very, very good practice. You can do it anywhere, sitting, standing, before you go to bed. Just two hands, one up and one down. Another method is Dante breathing. Dante breathing is a type of deep breathing, which we have passive and active Dante breathing. Passive Dante breathing is simply passively observe the breathing. When you breathe in, observe the abdomen. When you breathe out, observe the nose. How the air get into your body and how the air comes out from your body. Active Dante breathing is actively control your breathing. When you breathe out, you tighten your lower body muscle, so you breathe out. When you breathe in, you relax the lower body muscle, so the air goes in. And what we find is that active Dante breathing can increase the left-right coherences of our brain. So that's the end of the section. Thanks for your attention.